Ravi was a quiet and hard-working student. He studied in a small school near his village. Every morning, he woke up early, helped his mother at home, and then walked to school with his friends. One Monday morning, Ravi was walking on the road when he saw a small brown wallet near a tree. He looked around, but there was nobody there. He picked up the wallet and opened it carefully. Inside, there was some money, a photograph, and an identity card. Ravi thought, this wallet belongs to someone. The person may be worried. His friend Mohan said, there is a lot of money inside. Nobody saw you pick it up. You can keep it. Ravi looked at Mohan and said, no, this money is not mine. If I lose something important, I will also hope that someone returns it. Ravi took the wallet to school. He went straight to his teacher, Mrs. Meena. Ma'am, I found this wallet on the road, Ravi said. I want to return it to the owner. Mrs. Meena opened the wallet and looked at the identity card. She smiled and said, Ravi, you have done the right thing. This wallet belongs to Mr. Sharma. He is a shopkeeper in the market. After school, Mrs. Meena took Ravi to Mr. Sharma's shop. When Mr. Sharma saw the wallet, his eyes became full of tears. Thank you, my child, he said. I was very worried. This money was for my daughter's school books. Ravi smiled and said, Uncle, I only returned what was yours. Mr. Sharma wanted to give Ravi some money as a reward, but Ravi politely refused. He said, your blessing is enough for me. The next day, Mrs. Meena told the whole class about Ravi's honesty. All the students clapped for him. Mohan felt ashamed because he had told Ravi to keep the money. During lunch break, Mohan came to Ravi and said, I am sorry. Yesterday, I gave you bad advice. Ravi smiled and said, it is okay. We all learn from our mistakes. From that day, Mohan also tried to be more honest and helpful. Ravi became an example for the whole class. Honesty may not always bring money, but it always brings respect.